Okay guys, okay BA team, we're good to go down to main deck and I'll side and I'll put you on air.
Good morning, welcome to Cascais in Portugal. Just enjoying the last morning off before we head over to Bordeaux. So today we're going to be two-parting the teak before we depart to head to Bordeaux. It's just to get a head start on it. Let me show you what we do. So for this we use this beast. It's called a Cascais deck scrubber.
Come on the waves, where are you?
I am almost wishing it.
Oh, come on.
Come on, we're going for the bounce.
Oh no, it's too easy.
I can get away with this. Maybe not. Go on, jump up and down there, try and get it to nose.
Yeah. At least that was small.
Ah, you got it. We left Portugal and headed north to begin our 3-day passage towards Bordeaux, which takes us through the infamous Bay of Biscay.
On the second day, I decided to launch the drone to try and capture some epic footage of the boat crashing through the waves. I thought it was a good idea, but
it was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
so I have to admit, this wasn't my finest drone flying ever, but normally what will happen is the drone will take off to 1.5 meters and this will give me plenty of space to clear the boat. But unfortunately that's not what happened.
Why? You've launched it so many times, I don't understand what happened.
I'm very annoyed with myself, Rory. I was kind of like, don't do it, don't fly, because it's just a little bit windy. But you gotta do it if you want the shots, and sometimes I just want the shots a little bit more. So here we are, just leaving the TSS off the north coast of Spain. There he is.
Humped whale. Definitely humped whale. It's huge.
That's awesome.
Oh god.
But that makes my day a little bit better.
We're going to get the guys dressed, yeah. Control, that's BA team getting dressed, Jake. You got this button here to talk, alright? Okay, BA team are good to go down to main deck and I'll side and I'll put you on air.
Stay down low, put the nozzle ready to spray. Then hold the door. You hold the door now.
Copy that, BA lead, you're entering now.
Okay, now Jay, you have to do the
Control,
cups.
that's BA team inside the crew entrance.
Then enter. Shut it for a minute, yeah, and then when you enter, same thing. Go in, stay low. That's it.
Just get dressed, mate, we'll do the hoses. Copy that.
Spray, and then
You want to do the hoses and then do...
we'll do the hoses first, then we'll dress these guys, we can do a damage ship after.
Copy that. Fire's out of control and now we're preparing to abandon ship.
Get all the air out, yeah.
Alright mate, so jump in, yeah?
Get your fire hoses out! Control, that's the hoses are primed and firing over the port side.
Slowly pull down the gas. First person shooting.
Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're not already. We'll be concluding this voyage as we arrive into Bordeaux with some of the foggiest weather I've ever seen.
Is it? Oh yeah. No lights.